Officer Day, could you open the courtroom for us, please?
The state of Michigan 36th District Court is now in session with the Honorable Judge David S. Robinson Jr. presiding. Court is now in session. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. All right. Here is gonna be. I don't know what he's here for. Brad Keith, I don't know what he's here for. Document. Okay. I've got a problem here. Counsel, why are you here? Who's here for counsel for acuity?
That's me, Your Honor. Jay Lazar standing in for attorney of record Albert Kim.
Oops, I picked up the wrong file, guys. My bad. Okay, this is case number 22-196-805. Acuity versus U.S. Refrigeration Incorporated. This appears to be our second pretrial. Your appearances.
Good morning, Your Honor. Jay Lazar, P69480. I'm standing in for attorney of record Albert Kim.
Good morning, Your Honor. Keith Schaffner, P41852 for the defendant.
Gentlemen, where are we on this file? We opened your written discovery a while ago. Are we done with that?
May I respond?
Somebody.
I will, Your Honor. I'll start it off. Your Honor, we're trying to exchange information. My client is still owes the plaintiff some additional information that they've requested, some tax return documents. We've provided the 941s for the employee records. They'd asked some questions about three parties that were listed on the policies. I got the information regarding that. But I still owe them, or my client still owes them some additional documents, including the tax returns. My client's trying to get their hands on those and they think they'll have those by next week. There's also payroll records by the original payroll company that they're getting their hands on. So we're hopeful that we'll have that by next week. But the plaintiff, candidly, Your Honor, is waiting on us to provide some documents.
I understand. All right, gentlemen, let's continue then our written discovery. Let's have you back on May 12th. Does that work for everybody?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, May 12th at 10 o'clock. Your written discovery will remain open. Anything else we can accomplish today?
Thank you. I think Mr. Kim said the same thing. Just try to get a little more time to help out brother counsel. I think that's perfect.
Okay, we'll see you on the 12th, gentlemen, 10 o'clock. Let's be safe out here.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. Be safe, everybody. Thank you.
We're off the record. Good morning, counsel.
Good morning. Logging in, I have a hearing, but I want to confirm that it was via Zoom and not in person as the instructions were given to me by the attorney I was covering.
What file are you on?
I am on Allied versus Tillery. It is a motion to set aside satisfaction of judgment.
That's at
It is,
counsel.
I know I logged in early to inquire before heading down to the court, Your Honor.
Yeah, it's on Zoom.
Okay, just wanted to confirm. I'll be back at 10:45, 10:50.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Want me to remove you or put you back in the waiting room?
Waiting room is just fine, Your Honor.
Waiting room it is. Hello,
Hello, good morning.
good morning. Ms. Porter, I don't have your opponent as of yet. What's going on this file? You settled?
We have not, and in fact, I was going to ask to go into breakout room because I have not been able to reach anyone on that case.
Okay,
at,
I don't
Mr.
have
Rose.
them as of yet. I don't have anybody else, but I'll put you back in the waiting room and maybe they'll get in a couple of minutes. If not.
All right, I'll shoot an email. I don't have a telephone for him.
Okay,
Okay,
back to the waiting room.
all right.
Good morning, counsel.
Good morning.
You've got evidence versus farmers.
That would be correct.
I think I just got the defendant here. Get him in here and get started. All right. We are on the record with evidence in manual therapy versus farmers insurance. Date and time for what appears to be our initial pretrial on this PIP case. Could I have your appearances?
Yes, good morning, Your Honor. Jessica Kennard on behalf of the plaintiff, P number 82733.
Good morning, Your Honor. Eric Bradke on behalf of defendant farmers, P number 82208.
Mr. Bradke, I have the initial disclosures from farmers. Ms. Kennard, have you made yours?
I believe we have, but I can double check.
Because I see your witness list and exhibit list.
Your Honor, defendant farmers has received disclosures from plaintiff.
Okay, so then, why haven't we settled this case? I mean, it's a small PIP case. The whole point of the initial disclosures is to cut right to the chase, so you don't have to go through all the discovery. We know what the argument is. Why haven't we killed this file?
I did send a demand in defense and I did have a brief discussion about it and we are working on some things.
Yeah.
We are working on this one, Your Honor, as well as there is the underlying patient does have an ongoing case in Wayne County as well.
Okay, I guess my real question is, since you've got the disclosures done, is there any chance that this is going to exceed my subject matter jurisdiction?
I do not believe it will get to that point.
What's your claim right now?
Let me pull it up. Sorry, I'm working
Your
remote.
Honor, it was, the disclosure sent to defendant farmers was for $4,700.
Yeah, well, you're not
My
gonna,
understanding is the patient is not still treating, with plaintiff's office, so it should not get that high,
should not put that high.
but I've been wrong before.
Story of my life, counsel. Okay, the disclosures have been made. Let's get you guys working on killing this turkey. Get you back May the 12th at 10 o'clock. Does that work for everybody?
Let me pull up my calendar.
Please.
That will work for defendant, Your Honor, and that is that by Zoom as well?
Yeah, counsel, the Supremes have ordered that we do as much as we can by Zoom. And I need to see your face if we're doing something that involves judgment of credibility. The pre-trials and motions, I don't see why we shouldn't do them remotely.
I don't disagree, Your Honor, but it has been a district court by district court basis, it seems.
Yeah, it just seems more efficient for everybody,
It does.
you know, because even when we're doing objections to garnishment in our building, we have all the civil dockets judges on the same floor, but the lawyers are running around back and forth from the courtroom. So it's still more efficient to do it on Zoom. And Ms. Kennard, that's going to work for you as well?
Yes.
Okay, this is a tiny case. Let's get this file killed. We'll see you guys May 12th, 2023 at 10 o'clock. It'll be on Zoom like today.
Sounds good.
All
Thank
right,
you, Your Honor.
y'all be safe. Thanks for coming in.
Thank you as well.
Have a good weekend.
Enjoy your weekend. Bye-bye.
Didn't see any ruckus. What it could change now, and we like to say vote often and vote early. 866-909-9725. Is there a thank you gift that you've been thinking about but haven't gotten? Is there a thank you gift that you would like to add to your collection? Thank you. Yes, maybe it is. And it's only for a year. Maybe you would like the 6 CD 100 best Mozart recordings, or the Mozart, or the big or the size. We have a number of packages we can get. You decide. 669099725. One following so far this hour, 9 more units stay on track for our 10 full within the 10 o'clock hour. 866-909-9725. Composer number 15. Number 50 is up next. Let's do this guy. Okay, great. And we have a hint here. I guess the question would be concerning this music. Are you a sailboat or a towboat? Okay. Okay. Let's see if we can name this time.